Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on a Ryobi battery. I'll be specifically showing you and telling you how to see the charge level, and this will be an easy tutorial for beginners. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the battery that I'm referring to. This is the newer style Ryobi battery. It is a Ryobi battery that is sort of long and flat, and it is, as you can see over here, it is the 40 volt lithium battery. So it's the newer style battery that I've seen around. This is actually my dad's battery. I have the older style batteries and the older style tools and the older style landscaping equipment and stuff like that from Ryobi. He's got the newer stuff, so this is my dad's battery. But I liked his, equipment and his tools so much that I figured that I would, I would borrow it and do some video content on it, okay? So that's why I decided to do this tutorial, because with this battery over here, you can actually see the charge level. It's really, really easy to do. So basically, you can see on the battery right here, you can look around it. On this side over here, you can see there's a little button that shows the battery and a battery icon. When you press that button, it's going to illuminate with the charge level. You can see this is basically fully charged. So when you press it, it illuminates for a moment to show you the charge level. So if you want to see how charged your battery is, you can just push this little button over here and it'll show you how charged the battery is. And then you can see how charged the battery is and you can make a decision based on that. If it's obviously at a low charge level, you can go ahead and charge it. If it's at a high charge level like this one over here, you can leave it as is, or you can charge it if you want to, but you definitely don't need to charge it because, as you can see, if it's at a high charge level like that, you don't need to charge it. So you can make a decision based on, whatever charge level your battery's at. But that's basically it. That is how to see the charge level, how to verify the charge level of a Ryobi battery. It's been an easy tutorial for absolute beginners. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.